It was a quiet morning in a beautiful neighborhood.
Stay close to me, my little one.
But danger was closer than anyone expected.
Mama! No, my baby! My baby.
A mother never gives up.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Don't be afraid, little one. 1 second almost changed everything.
I will not lose you!
What?
Let my baby go.
Mama! Mama!
Love is stronger than fear.
Protect what you love. Subscribe for more stories.